Good afternoon, everybody. This is SPC Vols World 2008 here with an update on tonight's severe weather and flooding across portions of the southeast and the Tennessee Valley. So let's look at the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Not a lot has changed. They have extended the slight risk of farther to the east, and they still contain that 5% chance of tornadoes and that 2% surrounding. The wind is of 15 and 5 surrounding across portions of our concern. And our hail is still hatched, but they have extended the hail risk into West Tennessee. Also, new here, we have a tornado watch in effect for portions of areas along and west of I-65 in Tennessee, all the way back into central Arkansas. Areas east of I-65 would not be shocked if there's a tornado watch for your regions in a few hours, lasting until a little after midnight, to let this line get through first. So areas to our east, unfortunately, you guys still have to be on the lookout. I would not be surprised if SPC issues an MD for a downstream watch in a little bit, in a couple of hours, and then the watch comes out around dinner time. So areas east, please still be weather aware. We have a moderate chance for tornadoes, a low chance for the big violent tornadoes. Severe winds high, moderate for 65 km+, and moderate for hail and large hail. So actually, this is a pretty dangerous tornado watch, and I think SPC should have probably issued enhanced risk, but they easily might do that later on in the event. Like once we get to the 0100 update, they might add an enhanced risk in here somewhere. So just be prepared for that. Few tornadoes are likely, widespread damaging winds likely with isolated significant gusts up to 75 miles an hour. Isolated very large hail events of 2 inches in diameter. We're talking hen eggs, so gotta be watch out for that, guys. And our thunderstorm risk, still got a good chance of thunderstorms. Now we'll look at the models. We'll look at the HRRR on Pivotal Weather, because we can get a lot of information out of the models. Sorry, guys. Ugh, so stupid. There we go. Oh, wait, hold on, guys. Hold on. It does that to me. Oop. Alright, there we go, guys. Sorry about that. I accidentally clicked on the wrong thing. My phone is so small, so it's like really hard not to. Forecast. Oh, and there I go again. Single image. Now we end. So there we go. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at dew points. Temperatures, we all know, are in the 70s across the portions of the southeast. Our dew points are in the mid-60s, and as we go for the rest of the afternoon, they should rise into the around 60. So we're looking at dew points in the mid-60s to the low 70s across from Mississippi through Tennessee, and that's what's going to be filling these nasty line of showers and storms. And then that cold front looks to trail in behind it, and it should put an end to the severe weather. Look, and here's our flooding, like through tonight, through the rest of today. Should be about an inch of rainfall from these storms. This isn't a full run, but it's good enough. So here's you guys to see some isolated cells, could be supercells, might try to fire up, and then when the main show comes in, looks pretty nasty. Here's the little bit more of a high-res chance of these supercell storms rolling through Tennessee. They're going to roll through Tennessee and Alabama, Mississippi, and then there's another line behind it that's going to go through for the Mississippians. Now we look at our Cape. Oops. Cape. There we go. Hold on. There we go, guys. Sorry, I always clicked the wrong thing. So you guys see plenty of 0 for 3 kilometers Cape. Yeah, I'm Joe. And then we'll look at their lapse rates. They should be decent when these lines of storms come through. But I'm trying to look. Oops. Jeez. Why do I keep clicking? I'm not going to look at the cap because there's not going to be a cap pretty much. So here's our our instability values. And they're good. And then they dissipate once the line moves out. Here's our most unstable. And a good amount of instability through central Tennessee, which is going to help, get these lines going. Super cell based. And then they start to diminish pretty significantly. And then here's our lift of height. We have some height, just not If you guys hear noises in the background, those are some of my neighbors down there making noise. And here's the Cape, very sufficient. Shear, very sufficient. And here's our storm relative helicity. Should be good, yeah. And now we're going to look at our supercell. Oops, wrong thing. Supercell composite. Good news is the supercell composite figure does not look as strong as it did earlier, so we'll take a sounding not far from West Tennessee. Got tornado soundings. So good, that's really good news. Like I said, that's going to change. That could easily change. Let's look at the next run. Hour. Yeah, so good. That's good. That's double good. Awesome. Widespread areas. Yeah, significant. There's a chance for some tornadoes. I saw some PDS soundings earlier on in the runs, but this is the most recent run for you guys. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the afternoon update. I'll have an evening update once these storms start to move into Tennessee. I hope you guys enjoyed this afternoon update again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, guys, and have a great rest of your day.